Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Brian Kelly reporting to you from Garner, North Carolina. I'm the owner and administrator of the TopSecretWealthPlan.com website, the site that shows you how to earn $130 per day. Anyway, it's Labor Day today. Decided I'd go for a walk in my neighborhood. It's beautiful out here and very quiet, very peaceful. And just wanted to do a quick video to talk a little bit about my program, what it's doing for people who have never made any money in the network marketing or online marketing or offline marketing business. And so just a quick note here, I got a call a few days ago from, actually it was like last week, from a guy named Glenn out of Ohio. And he was very interested in my program. I asked him, for the PIN number. He gave it to me. So I looked it up, and it was a person from Pennsylvania. And so he said he wanted to go ahead and join. And lo and behold, a few days later, he did the very next day. About 3 days later, I got a second day priority mail from him, and it was for $20. Because the whole thing cost $150, but the person who actually mailed him the postcard got $130 for it. That's a good thing. I don't mind getting $20, but guess what? The person who mailed him the postcard got $130. A lot of times you get in programs like this and you don't make any money at all. They have to jump through a whole lot of hoops and you have to wait for your check to get here, but this is pretty instant. We do things by priority mail, and it's very simple. It's just a matter of taking, can you see this postcard right here? It's probably upside down, but anyway, you take this postcard. I give you 1,000 really high quality leads. You simply put the leads on the postcards, and I actually supply the postcards for you as well. I give you a template where all you have to do is take them to your Staples, have them printed and cut, put your personal PIN number I'll give to you on there, and boom, you got your postcards. So I'm giving you the postcards. You're gonna get the leads. All you have to do is take them to the post office and get a 35-cent stamp, postcard stamp, drop them in the mail. That's it, and people are actually doing this around the nation, and they're making money. And I don't really know what else to say. This is a one-level program. People, once they get the postcard, they follow instructions and they go to the website, the TopSecretWealthPlan.com website. On that website, it's a video, and the video, turn around here, and the video is really cool because it explains everything about the program, and it actually does the selling for the person. They don't have to call their friends and family and all this crazy stuff. This postcard does the selling for you. The person goes to the website, looks at the video. It's 21 minutes long, and they simply follow the instructions of the video. And what that is to give me a call on my personal cell phone number, which they do. They get their questions answered. Most of the time they call me and they say, well, I want to join. They don't really have a whole lot of questions because the video is pretty good, it's pretty convincing. And so they do that. I get their PIN number, find out who it belongs to. I send them an email and tell them who to pay, the payment, the person's name and mailing address. They send $130 to that person. They send me $20, and it's done by priority mail, so we get these tracking numbers, and the tracking numbers allow me to see if they actually sent the money, excuse me, and if, you know, they're doing the right thing. And so they send the tracking numbers to me. I go on the post office website and I verify that they did actually send the money, and boom, that's it. I then send them their information so they can get started right away, which includes the leads, 1,000 leads. Also, what I say, leads and the postcard template and a lot of other good information that's on the video. So that's you know, that's basically it. Again, I don't really know a whole lot else to really say about the program. It's working. That's the bottom line. And mainly it's working for people, again, who've never made money online or offline before. I wanted to create this program so it's extremely simple to do, which is taking a stamp, putting a label on a postcard, and dropping it in the mail, right? People respond to it, and ultimately you get $130 in the mail to your mailbox by second-day priority mail. I like that. It's very simple. People who are involved in this program, I talk to them. They like it. They like the simplicity of it. It works, and it's a good program all the way around. I don't make any false promises where you make $1 million overnight. You know, I wouldn't say something stupid like that and insult your intelligence. But I know that this works, and the bottom line is you have got to be consistent. I tell you step by step exactly what to do, how to do it. If you're consistent, you will, without a doubt, make some consistent money. That's all I can really tell you. So, anyway, what I'd like you to do, if you could do me a favor, like this video, like a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, because there's some person out there who needs this, who maybe they have a job but they're not getting paid what they're worth. They need to make some extra money. I don't know what the situation is, but I'm here to help out. You can call me. I'm a real person. You know, I don't have anything to hide at all. Give me a call, and we can talk about this program. I can help you out. Everything my ability to do to help you, I will do that. Not a problem. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go. I just had a workout. I just lifted my weights, did a little bit of walk. I'm doing some more walking down the road. It's Labor Day today. Take me a shower and start my day. So anyway, hope you guys have a fantastic day. Just take it easy and focus on your goals and achieve your goals and keep on pushing it, okay? Again, topsecretwealthplan.com. Give me a call. My personal ID is BDK. My PIN number is BDK1970. When you give me a call, make sure you tell me that PIN code. That's my personal PIN code, and I'll be able to help you out. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.